Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce the auto open selfie stick here. It's a tripod for our smartphone. Up to 66 degrees inches JustTap Selfie Tripod stand for our phone. In this case, it is the version in black. It's also a version in white available on the market, and it comes by KraftGeek. Just tap it. The auto-open design. With a single tap, the KraftGeek JustTap Tripod instantly activates its phone tripod mode. Perfect for spontaneous shoots, outs and on-the-go photography. It is easy of all use, allows us for the immediately set up in one hand, used without breaking nail. And we can reach a maximal height of 66 inches. That means it is adjustable from a 13 to 66 inches. Because this phone tripod stand is perfect for capturing high-angle videos and photos. Ideal for content creators. It provides creative flexibility for everyone. And from the desk setup to the outer shots. We can use this for the entire shot possibility. And with a flexible angle adjustment, because the phone holder features a 180 degrees rotation and tiltable. This allows us to effortlessly find the perfect angle for both portrait and landscape modes. Nice shots will be available in or with that stick. It's designed to meet our versatile Photoshop needs while ensuring a quality result. But it's also compact and portable. It weighs just 14.8 oz and falling down to 13 inches. Because this cell phone tripod easily fits within our bag, this making it perfect for travel companion for outings, hiking, road trips, and all our adventures. And it's durable and stable, with the premium aluminum alloy, with a slip-resistant rubber feet on the extendable tripod and a large base of 16.2 inches in diameter. That becomes this phone selfie tripod provides a reliable stability. It supports on any surface. This ensuring us the outcome for a shot with consistency. And on top we have a rechargeable magnetic remote, because the Bluetooth magnetic remote lets us capture photos from up to 33 feet away. Ergonomically sized for a comfortable grip, with a silicone soft touch surface for a secure tactile feel. It's perfect for group shots, selfies, and long exposure photos at a distance. And a lot of smartphones are compatible with that stick, because the silicone padded phone mount securely holds the most smartphones, including the iPhone 16 Pro Max, the iPhone 13 mini, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, without scratching. It holds our device securely in place during the gym session, a travel, or even on the golf course. KraftGeek JustTap Tripod. Tap to open, instant setup, Bluetooth remote, compact and portable, and we tap to the open mechanism on the bottom. With a single tap, it activates the tripod. Flexible heights instantly extend by pulling from 13 to 66 inches. And secure and stable. That means for extra stability, 16.2 inches and 11 inches per foot. And extends more than 5,000 times. It's built to last with the premium aluminum alloy. And a 360 degrees flexible angle are possible. And it fits to nearly all phone sizes out there. That all and more brings us this JustTap Tripod. It's an automatic open selfie. It's a stick. It's a tripod for our phone. with up to 66 inches JustTap Selfie Tripod stand for our phone in black or white. And it comes by KraftGeek. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!